various learning disabilities. There are so many things that could result in a specific learning disability. Let me just begin from the womb. Anytime I find myself privileged to address parents, as soon as a woman becomes pregnant, it is important that that woman becomes conscious of her state of mental health. If the woman is somebody who drinks, it is important that that woman actually stops it at that moment. There is a kind of a learning disability that is referred to as it is called a fetus alcohol syndrome. That the pregnancy or the child in the woman's stomach or belly, that anything that the woman takes has the capacity of affecting that child. There's a concept called neurodevelopment. Neurodevelopment simply means the development of the brain. That is why you see some children, whenever you see that they have these straight-looking faces. It could be that the mother actually took drugs or she took alcohol. Then another thing that can also cause learning disability has to do with the fact that please, as soon as you become pregnant, be careful of stress. Don't allow stress. Don't allow negative thinking. Don't allow depression to affect you. Because whatever you do at that moment has the capacity of affecting the child that is in your womb. So the first thing that all of us must take home, or the first information, is that learning disability can be as a result of the behaviors of the mother when the child was in her stomach. That is the first thing. Another thing that can cause learning disability has to do with genetics. It has to do with genetics. About 2 weeks ago, thereabouts, I was in Ibadan. There's a school there, Excel Kiddies Academy. I went there to conduct this reading, disability and dyslexia kind of evaluation. And I realized that there were two twins that were brought to me. And when I was asking this girl questions, she was talking and she started speaking strangely. And I wanted to really find out what would be the result of her poor performance. Would it be that she cannot read and write? But you know that when I asked her, yes, tell me what is your name? She uttered just balderdash. I had to actually calm down. I said, Kende, please, what is your name? She just uttered something strange. I had to write it down. Then in the course of our discussion, I realized that she has what? A neurological difficulty. And that could be the reason why she has been performing poorly in her academics. Because when I gave the report to the school or the proprietress, he said, Mr. Lidayo, yes, you are right. It's like, you asked me, what is my name? Then I respond by saying, when I said, Kende, what is your name? And she just thought I was somehow awestruck. I was scared. What she saying? When I was reporting to the said, yes, your discovery is right. That the parents too, they had the same problem. Whenever they are talking in Yoruba, in the course of their response, we discover that they start talking rubbish as if they've lost their minds. So Kende's issue has to do with genetics. She inherited that from her parents. So you can see that both pregnancy is one of the things. The other one has to do with genetics. Then the third one has to do with a neuroscience. Let me quickly address this. The populations of neurons that are in our brains, like I said, that all of them are not active. As I'm talking to you now, do you know that the circuit for cooking, because at least about 100% of individuals here are women, that circuit of cooking in your brains and the neurons that are in that circuit, they are offline this moment. The circuit that is active in your brain, this is like a circuit. We have something like this in our brains. Let me quickly show you, back this up. Like Please, I want everybody to look up. If you look at this picture, these are whoever knows how to read and write. This first one, this image, this one is a circuit. The second one is a circuit, and the third one is another circuit. Whoever knows how to read and write, these are the three circuits that underline reading ability. But for pupils here and in other academic institutions who don't know how to read and write, who are experiencing what is called dyslexia, the second one here is they have only one circuit instead of three circuits. So it is the responsibility of the academic institution to make sure that instead of one, they apply some interventions so that